बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप्स आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर ऑफिस से होंगे। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी ऐसे एन आइडियल स्टूडेंट। द ब्लैकनेस ऑफ द इंक ऑफ अ स्कॉलर इज़ मोर सेक्रेड दैन द रेडनेस ऑफ द ब्लड ऑफ अ मार्टिर. Student life is temporary period of life, but it is of vital importance. It is a time when the seed of learning and wisdom is to be sown. As a student sows at this stage, so shall be he reap in the future. Children are the valuable asset of the nation. A nation that produces a generation of talented and hardworking youth marches ahead on the path of progress. However, to create quality citizen is not an easy task. It cannot be achieved overnight. The first step for that is to produce ideal students in our schools and colleges. These ideal students would go on to become ideal citizen. Who is an ideal student? There is not one definite answer to that because there are many qualities that together define a student. The most important quality of an ideal student is that he take up the responsibility of being student. He studies incessantly and work hard to ameliorate her performance in each exam, but his objective of studying not on to only score good marks or secure a high rank, because beyond that he has the thirst of knowledge and interest to learn more about everything he observes. Learning is like rowing upstream, not to advance is to drop back. An ideal student has a definite goal. He strives really hard to achieve his goal. He always wins laurels. His determination drives him fast on the path where common students dare not walk. He keeps pace with ever-changing time and keeps himself abreast of the new trends. He attends his classes with receptive minds. He is hardworking, consistent, studious, and industrious in his studies. They toil while others live. They dare while others fly. An ideal student is well mannered and he lives in accordance with the strict codes of conduct and discipline. This is the time of life when the foundation of character is laid. If it said, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. A student without sense of discipline is like a ship without a rudder. It sails adrift and never reach the harbor. He must follow the rules of the school and obey the orders of his teacher. His behavior in school as well as at home should be exemplary. He is prudent in the selection of friends. He is fully conscious to ensure that no evil tempt him. He knows very well that a single rotten egg spoils the whole basket. An idle student tries to understand how much he owes his parents. He realizes that he owes a large debt to parents. He never forgets to look after them when they enter the old life. He must respect and obey his parents. An idle student studies with devotion, speaks after thinking, leaps after looking, decides after meditation, and serves with sincerity. He is neither a bookworm nor a frog in a small well. He takes part in curricular activities as well as co-curricular activities. He is really a torch bearer of all that is good. But participating in competition and winning events is not the only big thing in life, and an ideal student knows that very well. Virtues like kindness, compassion, respect, sincerity, honesty, politeness are equally important in today's world, and these qualities are found in abundance in an ideal student. Treats his parent, teacher, and elder with respect and speak politely to everybody in time of crisis. For his friend, he is the first person to stand by them. He never boasts of his achievement and never get depressed by his failures. He is always cheerful and maintain a positive approach to life. He spread hope and happiness everywhere he goes. Last but not the least, an ideal student loves his parents and members of the family very much and does as much as he can to help them and to keep them happy. He never wastes his parents' hard-earned money and believes that knowledge is the biggest wealth he can acquire. An ideal student is one who has the potential to become a great philanthropist. He is not a man with a limited scope. He aims at becoming the savior and hero of the humanity. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, ये था ऐसे जो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया। होप सो आप लोगों को एन आइडल स्टूडेंट की समझ आई होगी। अगर किसी भी वर्ड में प्रॉब्लम है तो आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। कोई मीनिंग नहीं समझ आ रहा तो वो पूछ सकते हैं, और इसके साथ साथ कोई भी नोट्स वगैरह चाहिए तो वो भी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। मैं आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगी। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।